Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we'll explore how to retrieve the smallest n elements from an array using JavaScript. Sorting and extracting elements is a common task in data processing, ranking systems, and statistical analysis. By implementing an efficient approach, we ensure that performance remains optimal, even for large datasets. Let's get started. When working with numerical data, finding the smallest value is often required for ranking scores, filtering results, or identifying outliers. This function ensures that we always get the n smallest elements efficiently. This function first clones the array using the spread operator to prevent modifying the original array. Then, it sorts the array in ascending order using sort AB into A minus B. Finally, slice 0 and n extracts the first n elements, ensuring that only the smallest values are returned. This method ensures that only the necessary calculations are performed, making it efficient and reliable for different dataset sizes. The approach is particularly useful when working with large numerical datasets or statistical analysis. This function preserves order while ensuring that only the smallest n values are returned. Handling edge cases like n is greater than the array length prevents unexpected errors or incorrect outputs. This function is widely used in leaderboards, price comparison tools, and sensor data analysis. Whether identifying the cheapest products, finding the lowest temperatures, or ranking player scores, the function ensures quick and accurate results. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to efficiently retrieve the smallest n values from an array using JavaScript. This technique is useful for data filtering, ranking systems, and real-time analysis. Try using this method in your projects to extract meaningful insights from data quickly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.